Replacing a door may seem like a simple upgrade, but it's a project that can quickly become stressful, expensive, or unsafe when common mistakes are overlooked. In a growing community like League City, where weather, home styles, and building standards all play a role, avoiding these pitfalls is essential for a smooth, cost-effective door replacement. Whether you're upgrading your entry door, replacing a back patio door, or updating interior doors, here are the top mistakes homeowners should avoid. Choosing the wrong door type for League City's climate. League City is known for its humidity, heat, and seasonal storms, which means not every door material will perform the same. A common mistake is choosing a door based purely on looks or price. For example, a low-quality wood door can warp in humidity, while a poorly insulated steel door may become hot to the touch during summer months. What to do instead? Choose a door material designed for the Gulf Coast climate. Fiberglass and high-quality steel options offer excellent insulation and resist warping, rust, and swelling. Always check for energy-efficient features such as insulated cores and weather-resistant finishes. Incorrect measurements. One of the biggest and costliest mistakes is taking inaccurate measurements. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can lead to air leaks, security issues, and the need to reorder the door, all of which delay the project and increase costs. What to do instead? Measure the height, width, and depth of the existing door frame at multiple points. If you're unsure, have a professional take the measurements. This prevents gaps, drafts, and improper installation. Ignoring local building codes. League City has strict building requirements, especially for exterior doors that must withstand potential storms and high winds. Some homeowners unknowingly purchase doors that don't comply with local codes or fail inspections after installation. What to do instead? Prioritize doors rated for the region's wind zones and ensure they meet League City's building standards. A reputable installer will know these requirements and guide you to the right options. Skipping proper weatherproofing. A surprising number of homeowners assume that once the door is installed, the job is done. However, failing to seal and weatherproof the area properly causes drafts, moisture damage, higher energy bills, and even mold growth. What to do instead? Make sure weather stripping, caulking, and thresholds are installed or replaced correctly. Weatherproofing protects your home and improves long-term durability. Choosing style over security. While curb appeal matters, prioritizing design without considering security puts your home at risk. Some doors feature thin materials, weak frames, or low-grade locks that compromise safety. What to do instead? Look for doors built with solid cores, reinforced frames, and multi-point locking systems. An attractive door can also be highly secure. You just need the right combination of style and strength. Attempting DIY installations without experienced door replacement isn't as simple as hanging a door on hinges. Homeowners often underestimate the skills required to handle leveling, framing, insulation, and weatherproofing. A poorly installed door can lead to drafts, uneven gaps, or difficulty opening and closing. What to do instead? If you don't have professional experience, hire a trained door installer. It ensures the job is done correctly, safely, and efficiently. Overlooking energy efficiency features. With rising energy costs in League City, replacing a door is an opportunity to improve energy efficiency, but many homeowners overlook this. Doors without proper insulation or energy ratings can cause higher cooling bills during the hot season. What to do instead? Choose doors labeled as energy efficient, and look for insulated cores, low-E glass, for patio doors, and tight seals. Final thoughts. The door replacement project can dramatically improve your home's comfort, appearance, and security, if it's done right. By avoiding these common mistakes and choosing quality materials, accurate measurements, and professional installation, League City homeowners can enjoy long-lasting value and peace of mind. Whether you're upgrading your entryway or improving storm protection, making the right decisions from the start ensures your replacement door performs beautifully for years to come.